What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandon, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing / review of the Iwata LPH400. This specific one that I have here is a 1.3 millimeter fluid tip and needle. This is my first professional gun that I have purchased myself. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about this gun in particular. A lot of people at my work use it and have been using it for decades. So, and the fact that they're telling me that this is a good gun, and I've seen the work that they do, I've had to pick one up for myself. And before I purchased this gun, I have also been spraying with theirs, and this thing really just paints beautifully. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. Sorry, the way that my camera is set up, I have to like kind of sit way back here. So I'm kind of in an awkward position. But so, alright, so when you first open this thing up, this is a 1.3 millimeter tip. I don't know if I've said that already. But it also comes with has different fluid tips and needles that you can buy for other paints like primers and sealers, stuff like that. So overall, very, very great gun. Can't wait to be spraying with this on Monday. This gun goes for, I think it's around $500 to $600 a piece. A very great gun for the price. So if you're just starting to paint or looking to paint to the next level, this is definitely the gun to check out. And if you look on YouTube, you'll definitely find a lot more videos on this, more in-depth videos on this. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. And this is my first refinished video on this channel, so I'm probably gonna be doing some more of these. So if you want to check those out and you want to be here for it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Peace.